Cheers.
Cheers. People often focus on stretching when it comes to plantar fasciitis.
But recovery and tissue support matters too.
One of the recovery tools that we sometimes incorporate into our treatment is the CareWear photobiomodulation technology.
Photobiomodulation uses specific wavelengths of light designed to support circulation, tissue recovery, and increase cellular activity.
What we like about it is that it can be integrated into your daily life activities while you are continuing to focus on movement and strength, along with walking and activity modification. So you can wear it and go about your day.
Yeah, because ultimately our goal is to help people keep moving, stay active, not just temporarily reduce their symptoms.
Healthy movement supports independence and your confidence, and along with your quality of life.
And healthy feet are a big part of staying active as we age.
So cheers to moving
Cheers.
better and living better. And we'll see you next time on Wine Wednesday.